Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's find the sound and vibration section. Now let's scroll down and as you can see we've got this kind of ringtone section, so let's tap on the first option. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. And after tapping, we will be transferred to the list of pre-installed options from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of them. We've got alert tones and the ringtones themselves. Here you can custom it also. So after tapping on this option, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded or recorded, they will appear right here. You will be able to mark them and set them as a ringtone. But let me go back and let me pick something from pre-installed ones. And basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it. But yes, okay. So basically, this is how it works. You will have to volume it up or down depending on your liking. And basically, if you will find the ringtone you like, so let's pretend that in my case it is this holiday one, make sure that it is marked and simply go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.